We have been waiting to make our backyard a little cozier, and this 3-seat patio swing has honestly become one of our favorite spots to relax. I love that it's big enough for the whole family. It holds up to 800 pounds, so it feels really sturdy and safe when we're all sitting together. The frame is made from thick, heavy-duty metal with an anti-rust coating, and the 4-foot pad keeps it stable even when we're swinging or there's a little wind. The canopy is another feature I really like. It's thicker for the most I've seen, with a nice soft feel, and it's both anti-tear and UV resistant. You can easily adjust it up to 45 degrees with a side knob, which helps a lot when the sun starts shifting throughout the day. The cushions are super comfortable too. They're thicker and filler with high density foam, and I like that they come with a non-slip pad that keeps everything in place, not sliding around when you sit down or stretch out. And probably my favorite part, it converts from a swing to a bed in just a few seconds. It just reclines the back seat and it becomes the perfect spot for an afternoon nap. There are even foldable side trays on each side, so I can set down a drink or a book to relax. It's just been this nice addition to our patio. Comfortable, sturdy, and honestly is where I ended up spending most of my afternoons now.